Good morning, beautiful people, and welcome back to another vlog. I thought I would show you something a little bit different today since I have a little project for home or in my home office. But before we do that, let's get dressed. So now that I'm all dressed, ready to go, just a casual Sunday outfit for today. You won't see this today, I'm telling you now, probably in a couple or maybe a week or so. But yes, I'm all dressed now. I'm just gonna pop my hair up and then I am going to bring the boxes that I need to build my little shelf thing upstairs. Okay, that was really tough to get them up the stairs. I feel like I'm really out of shape. Okay, the boxes are up the stairs. Now we just gotta clean out the office. So to have space to build it and to put it straight up. So it's gonna go right here. I'm going to sell these two, fix them up, clean up, everything like that, and it's gonna be nice and pristine. This is the office here. This is where the magic happens. I think it'll look a lot neater and a lot tidier. So stay tuned. All cleared out. It's a bit dirty, but I don't want to vacuum it obviously because I'm gonna make a lot more mess. So this, taking everything off, just stored it all here for now. So yeah, let's get into the building. That's done. So I've separated the pieces. So these are the bigger pieces, I think they're the middle pieces, and then the shelves into their sections. So I'm normally the builder in our house. The first year Jamie built majority of everything. So like the coffee table, our dining room table, our outside dining table, which is different to the one we've got now. But everything else I've pretty much done. When I bought the couch, I put the couch together. Not that there wasn't a lot to do, but I built both the white shelves. This one was bought. I put that together myself. Obviously, the fold-out table is like just a fold-out table, and then the desk. Just here, I put that together myself as well. So, if they say. Well, they say if you want something done, do it yourself. So that is very much me. Hubby is not home to do this a lot of the time. He's either working at one of his jobs, which I am very thankful for. So why not do it yourself? done all the inside, and now we just have to put on the outside and I guess screw it all in together. So we're finally making progress, which is really exciting. Now I say this now, but that was probably one of the easiest ones I have literally ever done. With the 2 white shelves, once I got to the second one, it was obviously a lot easier because I'd done one already, but that was pretty good. So this is from Bunnings, by the way, so I'm actually pretty happy. The only shitty thing was when it got delivered on a Saturday morning 2 weeks ago, but I only got the notification it was being delivered that morning. So they sent a message to me at 7 a.m. saying your package will be delivered shortly. Obviously was asleep Saturday morning, come on now. And then I got a big knock. Oh, I had a phone call. I was like, I don't know that number. Hadn't seen the message yet. Then I got a big knock at the door. Gave me an absolute fright. So that was my only thing that really annoyed me. But apart from that, now to put on the outside. Can I just say one thing? So this little hole here, he's meant to be screwed in, which I tried to do, which you would have seen on the last video. There's no hole there to screw it into, so I've had to hammer it in. Thank you, Bunnings. Thank you for creating more work than it's worth. So yeah, let's see how it goes from here. Okay, we have progress. So I've had to hammer both ends in because there's no hole that's been drilled. Fun times! Literally have the sides and then I'm pretty much done. Now the moment of truth, I'm about to put it up and I really hurt my finger. I almost ripped my nail and my acrylic off, so I'm really sore. So I'm about to pull this bad boy up. If I can get it up. This is the tricky part, getting it up by myself. Because there's nowhere to grab onto and shimmy up. The only issue is, look how much she sways. That's my, I don't know whether I'm supposed to have it up the other way. Who knows? All right, I'm gonna do some tidying up because this floor is terrible. Woohoo! She is up in her space. Now I just gotta tidy up the mess. Oh, I'm so excited. We did it, team. We finally got it done. That's it. I'm done for now. I still have a few things to get for it, a few little bit of organizing, which is going to take a little bit of time. So I will give you a progress report maybe in a couple of weeks, depending on how fast I get everything I need and how fast I can get organized. But I'm going to leave this vlog here. So have a beautiful day wherever you are in the world, and we'll see you next time. Bye.